The morning after, and now this is very interesting, the color I did yesterday took much better than I thought it did. It's also a much lighter green than what I have over on this side. Which leaves me with an interesting situation there. Stuck them back side by side to get a better look at this. Okay, and not bad, not bad. But I do think I've got to do some white over here. See, this is clean white, this is dirty white. And so those gotta maybe made to match at some point. So a little bit of work here, but overall that's looking pretty good. I think I can go with that. Other than a major idea I had last night, which would basically be redoing the entire thing. I think I'm gonna pass on that for now. So there's where we stand at the moment. And I'm going to take some actions to bring these two together, visually, color-wise, finish-wise. And you've seen all this before, so I'm just going to do a lot of jump cuts. I'm going to put a little bit of this light green into this, and then basically I'm going to hit that with some white to fix up the background. Yeah, that worked very nicely. So nicely, in fact, I think I'm going to throw a little more on here. Okay, that's good. Dang, I need a little more up here. This one is so, this is the one that's right beside it. Yeah. Okay, that looks good. And they both have a hint of green up in here on the background. I think I might just leave that instead of trying to go in with the white. Yeah, I think I'm going to stand on that. Why draw to an inside flush? Not bad. Well, I thought it'd be okay, but I gotta hit this with some white. You know the routine. Okay, good. Next up, hardware. Got to put some handles on these doors.